Alright, so Garmin is gearing up to unveil its latest offering in the smartwatch arena with the Forerunner 165, poised to replace the Forerunner 55. Leaked information, courtesy of 91 Mobiles, has given us a sneak peek into what's to come ahead of its European debut. The Forerunner 165 will come in 3 color options: black, white, and turquoise. Expect a larger display and a revamped design, with sleeker bezels and a more streamlined overall look compared to its predecessor. Garmin seems to be doubling down on user-friendliness, evident in the redesigned Run button for easier access. Price-wise, the standard version is slated at €279, while the music variant, offering built-in media storage, will set you back €329. Rumor has it, the Forerunner 165 will sport a 1.2-inch AMOLED display, boasting a resolution of 390 by 390 pixels. It's also equipped with a barometric altimeter for precise elevation tracking and Garmin's Elevate V4 PPG sensor for accurate heart rate monitoring. However, keep in mind that this model might have a slightly shorter battery life of 11 days compared to its predecessor. One neat feature is its compatibility with 20mm quick-release bands, catering to various wrist sizes, positioning it as a versatile option. Even in its entry-level guise, the Forerunner 165 music version comes packing with 4 GB of storage, ensuring you can keep your favorite tunes close. What are your thoughts on Garmin's latest offerings? Drop your comments down below, and thanks for watching. Peace out.